People no longer just search Google. They ask ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Copilot. If AI doesn't mention or recommend your brand, you're invisible, even if you rank #1 traditionally. Most brands are losing right now. Are you? AISEORadar.com fixes this. It monitors your brand across all major AI models in real time. See your AI visibility score 0 to 100, citation frequency, competitor gaps, missed opportunities, and 10 essential AI visibility metrics. Then use Opportunity Finder, Answer Explorer, and Content Optimizer to get recommended. Don't take our word for it. Here's what actually happened. BestSEOmarketing.com. They used AI SEO Radar to audit and optimize client campaigns. Their clients saw an average 55% increase in AI-driven referral traffic and consistent top position recommendations in ChatGPT and Gemini. Felix Brown said the tool gave them actionable insights that moved the needle fast, turning AI visibility into real client wins. WorldsYachts.com. This luxury yacht charter company was barely appearing in AI answers for high-intent queries. After using AI SEO Radar, they increased their AI mention rate dramatically and generated $47,000 in additional tracked revenue directly attributed to improved AI recommendations in under 60 days. Mike from World's Yachts shared how the dashboard showed exactly why they weren't showing up and how to fix it quickly. Whether you run an agency, e-commerce brand, or SaaS company, AI SEO Radar gives you the intelligence to track real AI recommendations, discover hidden queries, create content AI loves to cite, monitor competitors, and protect your reputation. Stop guessing. Start winning AI search. Go to AISEORadar.com right now and claim your $1 trial. Get your full AI visibility report, including competitor comparison, in under 60 seconds. See exactly how AI sees your brand today and start improving tomorrow. Start your $1 trial.